Thank you for visiting the Trend and Style Setters channel. We really appreciate it. A channel for all your information of successful and inspirational trend and style setters around the world. Today we take a look at the stunning American star Sophie Rain. The amazing Sophie is a fashion model, actress, and social media influencer. She was born in Miami in the United States. Sophie began her career as a model at the age of 14 and gained millions of fans on her social media accounts. She is 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 56 kilograms. She has beautiful brown eyes. She is so adorable and inspirational, isn't she? Did you know Sophie's favorite destinations are Spain and Italy? Visit Sophie's Instagram for a taste of her modeling portfolio. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on the inspirational Sophie. If you have other celebrities you want us to cover, please let us know in the comments. We would so appreciate each and every one of your comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as the next video is just around the corner.